Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a font input block in your Shopify store. You might have seen some font input blocks like this in many stores. So I'll be explaining how you can create such blocks in your store too. Watch this video completely without skipping. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this, I'm using checkout extension Ninja app. I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store and this is easily available there. Otherwise, I will be attaching this link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. After installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and go to the blog section. Now you can click on create new block. There will be some default templates on different blocks available here. You can just close it. If you want anything, you can just select from this and click on add block. Now we have to particularly select for the font input block. So I'm clicking on add to checkout. Now first thing we have to give a block name. Let's give the font input block as such so that we can easily identify this from our list of blocks. So remember that this could be a meaningful one. And if you have any conditional visibility, you can just enable this and add the visibility condition over here. There are multiple conditions showing up in this list. You can just choose from this, and what happens then is this block will be available in the checkout only when this given condition is met. If you want the block to be appear always at the checkout, then you can just disable this and the block will be available always. And in font book, the configuration is we first thing we have to give a proper label. Let's say like WhatsApp number. It, and we can just give the for delivery updates or something like that. We can inform the users like this. Yeah. And the default value, I'm just not planning to give any pre-filled data, so I'm not adding the default value and I'm making this as the required field. You can just go with no if it's not required, and I can store the attribute value to the contact details. This is my attribute value. Yeah, and the setup is done. Let's save it. And before going to the saving it, please make sure that the status is active. Okay, and whenever you are saving it, you can just get some block id over here. You can copy this and click on open checkout data page, and we have to add the custom block to the checkout page. So click on custom block and add to checkout block. And if we have to we have to paste our block id which we have copied earlier, right, from here. So we have to copy this block id and we have to paste the block id over here. Then you can see that the custom block has been created. Now land to the app section and drag the block to somewhere else which is more appropriate. So you can see that I have dragged and I have placed the block in the contact section, and let's save it. Now let's test this up in our online store. So I'm landing on checkout page. Now you can see that the font input block has been created here. It's very simple. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in our online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.